Installing new windows is an exciting home improvement project that can boost the curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall comfort of your Crestview home. However, the window installation process requires some preparation to ensure everything goes smoothly and your new windows are installed correctly. Whether you're upgrading your current windows or replacing old, inefficient ones, taking the right steps beforehand can save time and minimize disruptions. Here's how to prepare your home for window installation in Crestview. Clear the area around your windows before the installation team arrives. Take time to clear the area around each window that will be replaced. This means moving furniture, decorations, and any items that might be in the way inside and outside of your home. For interior spaces, this includes shifting couches, tables, or any fragile items that could be damaged during the installation process. If there are any obstacles outside, such as garden tools, vehicles, or decorations, make sure they are moved out of the way to give the installers enough space to work. A clear path around each window allows the installation crew to work more efficiently and safely, reducing the risk of accidents or delays. Protect your floors and furniture. While window installation is generally a clean process, there's always a chance that debris or dust could settle on your floors or furniture. To protect your interior space, consider laying down drop cloths, plastic sheeting, or old sheets to cover your furniture and floors. This is especially important if you have hardwood floors, carpeting, or delicate furniture that might be susceptible to damage. If you have valuable or breakable items near the windows, it's best to remove them from the area entirely to avoid any accidental damage. It's also helpful to remove any blinds, curtains, or window coverings that may obstruct the installation process. Ensure accessibility to your windows. Crestview homes come in various architectural styles, and depending on the layout of your home, some windows may be located in harder to reach places. Before the installation team arrives, make sure they will be able to access the windows easily. If you live in a multi-story home or have windows that are difficult to reach, inform your window installation team ahead of time so they can bring the proper equipment, such as ladders or scaffolding. Check to ensure that there's a clear path for the installers to reach your windows. This includes removing any clutter from stairwells or hallways and ensuring that your driveway is accessible for any delivery trucks that may be bringing in the new windows. Prepare for noise and dust. Window installation can be noisy and sometimes messy, so it's important to prepare your household for some level of disruption. While the installation team will do their best to keep things clean, you may want to cover any sensitive items with plastic or other protective materials to guard against dust. If you work from home or have young children or pets, consider making alternate arrangements for the day of the installation. It might be helpful to plan a trip out of the house or stay in a quieter area while the team works. Understanding that there will be some noise and dust will help you better manage expectations and create a more comfortable environment during the process. Review the installation plan. Before the installation day, take a moment to review the plan with your window contractor or installer. Ensure you understand the timeline for installation, the type of windows being installed, and any specific instructions or requirements. If you've opted for custom windows or a specific style, double-check the order to ensure everything is correct. It's also a good time to ask any questions you may have about the installation process. For example, you may want to inquire about how long the installation will take, what type of warranty is provided, and whether there's any post-installation care required. Reviewing the plan ahead of time will help avoid any confusion during the installation process and make sure you're fully informed. Make necessary arrangements for pets and children. Pets and small children can be curious and might get in the way of installers as they work, so it's important to make arrangements for them on installation day. If possible, keep pets in another room or, if necessary, arrange for them to stay with a neighbor or in a pet-friendly environment for the day. For children, ensure they are kept away from the work area, especially if you have young ones who may be easily distracted by the installation process. You might consider having a designated play area or activity to keep them entertained and safe during the installation. Ensure proper ventilation. Since window installation involves the removal of old windows and the installation of new ones, there may be some gaps or drafts during the process. While the installers will work efficiently to minimize the time windows are open, it's important to ensure proper ventilation, especially if the weather is particularly hot or cold in Crestview. Consider adjusting your HVAC system to maintain comfort during the installation process. If you don't have air conditioning or heating, you might want to adjust the thermostat before the work begins. Keeping the airflow moving will help ensure that your home remains comfortable while the installers work. Make sure you have a point of contact. Finally, it's helpful to have a designated point of contact for the day of the installation. Whether it's a project manager or the lead installer, make sure you know who to reach out to in case you have any questions or concerns during the process. Having a direct line of communication will make it easier to address any issues that may arise. Conclusion. Preparing your home for window installation in Crestview is an important step in ensuring the process goes smoothly and that you're satisfied with the results. By clearing the area, protecting your furniture, ensuring accessibility, and making arrangements for pets and children, you'll help the installation team work more efficiently and minimize disruptions to your daily life. With proper preparation, you'll soon enjoy the benefits of your new windows, improved energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, and a more comfortable living space.